simpler to start, faster to produce, and safer than ever. The A-Series metal sheet laser cutting machine, equipped with a crossbeam enclosure, is a CE-certified, fully enclosed, single-platform laser cutter. Its compact footprint allows 3 machines to fit in a 40 GP container, greatly reducing shipping costs and enabling global delivery. Equipped with safety light curtains, the machine will halt operation instantly if personnel enter the processing area, ensuring a higher level of safety protection. The enclosed design with OD6 Plus laser protection glass blocks harmful radiation, safeguarding your eyes and skin. At the same time, noise and smoke are effectively reduced, creating a cleaner, safer workspace. Visibility meets control with a built-in camera inside the crossbeam, delivering real-time, high-definition monitoring of cutting process, so every detail stays within your grasp. The A-Series is equipped with a zone dust extraction system. It smartly distributes airflow across sections for targeted removal of fumes and dust, ensuring a cleaner working environment. Ease of use is another cornerstone. By simply comparing and clicking, intelligent adjustment of cutting parameters can be achieved, delivering perfect workpieces even for beginners. Efficiency goes even further with the remnants layout feature, which intelligently nests leftover materials, turning waste into added value. From architecture to sheet metal processing, its intuitive operation and superior performance unlock more possibilities for global customers. Outstanding value, proven performance, A-Series metal sheet laser cutting machine.
Bodor Laser Rigs #1 in global sales volume.